So, Dr. Goodley, just talk about how informative this was. You know, you live it, but talking about it and helping others navigate this space. How important was that for you?
I think that being able to have these conversations are so critical in terms of, really helping our communities to be able to understand that we all play a role in the mental health and the wellness of our athletes. We're a part of the ecosystem.
Yeah.
The more that we know, the more that we can do. And I think that being able to do that really helps to break the stigma in powerful ways around mental health.
Right. I love what you said about your children should not be your idols. Could you expound on that again? I think that is so important for anybody who's watching, that you cannot be so invested in one that you forget about the real core.
That's absolutely right. I think we spend so much time focused on our children, and we should, right? Because they are God's gift. At the same time, when we do that, we often do that in a way that doesn't allow us to invest in ourselves. And it also doesn't allow us, if we are a person of faith, to center that faith, well. It's really important for our children to know that they are not at the center, right? Because we want them to be able to build a healthy relationship with us as they grow. But we also want them to build their own sense of a healthy relationship with who should be at the center of their lives.
Right, right. And you at the very high level of the NFL, I'm glad that you mentioned that every team now has this, because it is something that these professional athletes, when you compound money on top of things and expectations and things like that, they need it. They need
Absolutely.
it. And what you do every day is like a ministry. Like, you are helping these, even through tough times, you are helping these professional athletes.
Yes, I think, it's not just the NFL, the NBA.
Yeah.
They have their same version of team clinicians, at their levels. And we're seeing it grow across professional sports. We're about in the 4th or 5th year of Pro Athlete Mental Health Awareness Week. It's from October 3rd to the 10th. This is like the 4th or 5th year we've celebrated that. So we're trying to really build an infrastructure for mental health for professional athletes.